Coming to video cassette and DVD.
Charlotte's Web, one of the most beloved children's movies, based on the book by E.B. White, is now available to own on video and DVD. And look for Charlotte's Web 2, Wilbur's Great Adventure, a brand new feature-length movie debuting only on video and DVD, spring 2003.
For the first time ever, The Adventures of Jimmy Neutron Boy Genius is blasting onto video and DVD. Nickelodeon and Paramount Home Entertainment present Time Warp, Wet Pants Attack, and Confusion Fusion.
Time to save the world!
Find out how Jimmy Neutron saved the world in the exclusive DVD, Confusion Fusion. Witness Carl, Sheen, and Goddard as they try to survive Jimmy's outrageous inventions in Time Warp and Wet Pants Attack on home video.
You must have made a tiny miscalculation.
Gadgets, gizmos, and gimmicks galore in Wet Pants Attack. Battling babies, battling bands, and a blast from the past extravaganza in Time Warp.
Guys, I got it under control.
The Adventures of Jimmy Neutron blasting onto home video in Wet Pants Attack and Time Warp. Or both videos together on the DVD Confusion Fusion with extra special features, each sold separately. Invading stores May 2003.
For once, everything turned out perfect.
Now available on video cassette and DVD.
Get ready, get set, let's go. Nick Jr.'s on home video. Dora, Little Bear, Steve, and Blue starring brand new videos just for you.
Introducing 3 brand new home videos from Nick Jr. Play along with Dora and friends. The adventure never ends. In Dora's Backpack Adventure.
I need your help to wind up my fishing line.
Learn to read with Steve and Blue. Help them out and spot the clue. In Reading with Blue.
All right, Blue. Ready to read your book?
And Little Bear in Campfire Tales. Braving mountains and seas and whales.
I'm on top of the world.
New for Nick Jr., look for Dora's Backpack Adventure, Little Bear's Campfire Tales, and Reading with Blue. Available now wherever videos are sold.
Get ready, get set, let's go. Nick Jr.'s on home video.
And coming soon, look for new Blue's Clues videos with Joe.
SpongeBob's coming to video and DVD.
Yo ho, the sponge is in town.
With 10 episodes that are something to see.
His body is yellow and his pants are brown.
If nautical tales make you get up and dance.
Jerry's a snail, not a hound.
You'll be splitting your sides, you'll be splitting your
Yo
pants.
ho, soaking wet, he weighs less than a pound.
Ahoy, mateys! SpongeBob's a-comin' for the first time on video and DVD. It's nautical nonsense and Sponge Buddies. See SpongeBob himself in all his jellyfish and Krabby Patty flippin' glory.
What a great day.
Love that SpongeBob. And his first mate, Patrick, full of gleeful angst.
I was one of the beautiful people. Now look at me.
And Sandy Cheeks, shiver me timbers. You don't want to mess with that lassie.
Don't you dare take the name of Texas in vain.
You go, Squirrel.
And Squidward, Mr. Krabs, Gary the Snail. It's the whole gang from Bikini Bottom. SpongeBob at his finest, I tell ye. Nautical nonsense and Sponge Buddies. 2 must-see rip-roaring epics.
We give it 4 starfish.
Never before has a sponge been so absorbing.
Tour Bikini Bottom without putting on a wetsuit.
'Tis 10 splashy episodes of SpongeBob at his swabbiest. Nautical nonsense and Sponge Buddies. Available now on video cassette and DVD. SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants.
All aboard for excitement with everyone's #1 train, Thomas the Tank Engine. This delightful collection of award-winning videos and DVDs takes you on a magical journey around the island of Sodor. It's an enchanting world where life is never boring and fun lies around every bend. Now you can be part of the adventure with Thomas and all his railway friends. There's cheerful Percy, James in his splendid red coat, the proud and strong Gordon, and the ever-faithful Toby. And don't forget the superintendent of the railroad, Sir Topham Hatt, who makes sure everything keeps right on schedule. Each release contains a variety of fun-filled stories that teach the values of friendship, working together, and the importance of trust and honesty. Every journey is one you'll want to watch again and again. In addition, kids will enjoy a whole new experience as they discover all the magic and joy of Thomas on DVD.
Hello, my name is Sir Topham Hatt. Thomas and his friends welcome you to the island of Sodor.
Travel with your tour guides, Thomas and Sir Topham Hatt, as they navigate you through the island of Sodor to exciting places like the Thomas and Friends Character Gallery, the Read-Along Story Depot, Sing-Along Station, and the Fun and Games Shed, where you can play several exclusive games with your engine friends. So bring the fun out of the roundhouse and into your house. Add all of these titles to your Thomas collection today.
And now we're pleased to bring you our feature presentation.
Are you ready?
Ready! Ready! Wanna play? Yeah! Yeah! When's it gonna start? Right now!
Hi there, it's me, Face, and today I'm singing the blues. Dooby-dooby-doo, I'm feeling blue. Shooby-dooby-doo, I'll sing for you. Shooby-dooby-doo, then I won't feel so blue. Singing makes me so happy, even if I'm singing the blues, and you can keep singing with me.
Thomas chuffed along the branch line, thinking about his new friend, Jack. "I hope he's doing better today," puffed Thomas. Yesterday, Jack had broken the rules and had gotten into trouble. The pack was widening the road beneath the old quarry bridge. The fat controller inspected the line. He was very impressed. "Well done, Rusty," he said, "and well done, Elizabeth. We will open this line immediately." Rusty was proud. Rheneas and Skarloey were very happy. "Maybe now Rusty will have time to work at the quarry," said the fat controller. Rusty just smiled.
Mainline engines always boast how big they are. Superior by far. But little engines toil away from dawn till dusk, without a fuss or care. Just because we're small doesn't mean we don't stand tall, and we pull our weight like all the others do. You'll be surprised, in spite of our size, just what little engines can do. Little engines, little engines, little engines can do the biggest things. Little engines, little engines, little engines can do most anything. They'll carry on until the work is over. They'll carry on to the end. They're the smallest in the station. Don't underestimate them. They're not such little engines after all. Bigger engines say, little engines play all day, and we're not much use to anyone at all. But we're strong enough to deal with those trucks. That's what little engines are for. Little engines, little engines, little engines can do the biggest things. Little engines, little engines, little engines can do most anything. They'll carry on until the work is over. They'll carry on to the end. They're the smallest in the station. Don't underestimate them. They're not such little engines after all. Thomas, Percy, Bill, and Ben, you can rely on them. These little engines are the best. Stephanie, Duck, and Oliver, they get the trucks. What for? You'll be so impressed. Little engines, little engines, little engines can do the biggest things. Little engines, little engines, little engines can do most anything. They'll carry on until the work is over. They'll carry on to the end. They're the smallest in the station. Don't underestimate them, 'cause they're not little engines after all. They're our favorite little engines, and mighty little engines. They're not such little engines after all. They're not such little engines after all.
See you later.
I'm Nick Jr.
Bye.